Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on vacation mode on Etsy. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and vacation, but you're running an Etsy shop. How do you actually go ahead and turn on vacation mode? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, let's go ahead and log on to Etsy. Then in the upper right hand corner, click on your profile icon. Next, click on account settings. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click on settings. On the left hand side, scroll down, then click on options. Now underneath options, you're going to find the option to go ahead and click on vacation mode. So click on vacation mode, then click on your shop is on vacation. And here's where you can actually go ahead and enter your vacation announcement and also enter your message auto reply. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on vacation mode on Etsy. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.